Okay, so first of all, this is argon pipes, and first one we discuss open pipe. Okay, so we already discussed in stationary waves, formation of stationary waves. In formation of stationary waves, what is the length of the one loop is lambda by 2. Single loop length is lambda by 2, and half of the length, that is half of the loop length, is lambda by 4, and 2 loops length is lambda. Okay, you remember this one, and this open pipe and closed pipe concepts is very easy. Okay, now first of all we take in open pipe. What is open pipe? Open pipe, it's having both open ends, that is the two ends of a pipe are open, then it is called open pipe. So, but we remember one thing is, at open end always form antinode. Now first of all we sent one end of the pipe some wave. Okay, this wave is passing through the pipe, and due to pressure difference it will be reflected on other end, and both waves are combined with each other. Then what happen? Longitudinal stationary waves will be formed. So this is, we see in the case 1, case 2, case 3 also. Okay, so first we send some waves, and it will be get reflected back and superimposed with each other, then to form a different types of stationary waves, nothing but longitudinal stationary waves in the open pipe. Okay, you remember one, open end always form antinode, and closed end always form node, and closed pipe we will be discussed in the next topic. So first one we have to take case 1. Same in stationary wave concept, formation of stationary waves on stretcher string concept, we discussed first length of the string. Similarly in this also we find the length of the pipe, and on that topic we find the frequency, different frequency, that is first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, we will be discussed. Similarly in this also we discussed the harmonics and overtones, and what is the final frequency formula. Okay, now in case 1 the length of the pipe is, total length of the pipe is L, but we mention in the wavelength formation. So this length L equal to, what happen? This is half of the loop and this is half of the loop. So this is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, which is equal to lambda by 2. So length of the pipe is lambda by 2. Now in second case, case 2 is, this one is lambda by 4, and this length of full length, one loop equal to lambda by 2, and another half loop is lambda by 4. So the length L equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 is lambda by 2 and plus lambda by 2. So lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4 will get total value is 2 lambda by 2. Because of 2 will get cancelled, will get lambda. Okay, now in third case the length, similarly this length is lambda by 4, half of the length, and this 2 loops length is lambda, and this half of the length is lambda by 4. Okay, now we write the frequency lambda value, lambda equal to is 2 into L, that is 2L. Okay, now what is the frequency? Frequency N1 or N equal to V by lambda. So N1 equal to V by lambda, but V is the velocity of the waves in the pipes, open pipes. But in stretched string, velocity of the pipe is root of t by mu. But in this case, we cannot write root of t by mu. Root of t by mu is only stretched string velocities. That is transverse waves form, that is stationary waves forms on the stretched string. On that waves velocities we equal to root of t by mu. But in this not stretched string, these are open pipe, means only gas molecules are there. So we have to say that in this open pipe we have to form, we say that we have to form longitudinal stationary waves, not string waves. Okay, so we cannot write V. Okay, root of t by mu. So this V by lambda, lambda is 2L. Therefore N1 equal to V by 2L. This is called fundamental frequency. This is called fundamental frequency. This is called fundamental frequency. Now in second one, the lambda equal to 2L by 2 and frequency N2 equal to same as it is V by lambda, which is equal to V by lambda is 2L by 2. So N2 equal to 2V by 2L. This is the second one, case 2, frequency. Okay. Now in this case we have to write 2 into N1 because of N1 is V by 2L. So we have to write 2 N1. So this N2 is equal to double of fundamental frequency. So any frequency is greater than the fundamental frequency is called overtone. This is first time will become, then it is called first overtone or second harmonic. Second harmonic or first overtone. First overtone. And this is also called fundamental frequency or first harmonic. First harmonic. Okay students, you understand this one. Similarly, case 3, length L equal to is lambda by 4 plus lambda, that is lambda, only lambda plus lambda by 4. Okay, so we have to compare this one, lambda by 2, both of them. So 3 lambda by 2. Okay, this is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. After simplification, we'll get 3 lambda by 2. Okay, now this lambda, in this case lambda equal to is 2L by 3. Now the frequency N3 equal to V by lambda. Therefore V by lambda is 2L by 3. Therefore N3 equal to 3V by 2L. Okay students. Now this one will be written as 3N1. This one will be written as 3N1. So this is called third harmonic or second overtone. Okay, so we have to see in this open pipe cases what are the frequencies will become. N1 V by 2L, N2 2V by 2L, or it is also 2N1, and N3 3V by 2L, it is also called 3N1. So what are the ratios of frequencies in open pipe case? In open pipe case we have to write this one. We have to write this one is frequency ratio is N1 is to N2 is to N3 is to and so on. Similarly we have to write many one is equal to is, this will be 1, this will be 2 and this will be 3. So we have to write 1 is to 2:3 and so on. Okay, so this is the open pipe frequencies ratio formula. Okay, in open pipe cases, main point is wavelength, finding wavelength. First one wavelength is 2L, second one wavelength is lambda equal to 2L by 2, and the third one wavelength is lambda equal to 2L by 3. Same in stretched string, the frequencies of harmonic ratio is also 1:2:3. Similarly, in open pipe case also, it will become 1:2:3 ratio. Okay, thank you.